Hello friends, this is Dr. Saurabh Patwardhan from Nandadeep Eye Hospital, PG Institute and Phaco Training Center. In this video, I will be speaking about how to use Zeiss microscope Lumira Eye. So this is the Lumira Eye microscope which I am using since almost 10 years now, and I always start the surgery with Lumira Eye illumination on position 1, which is stereo coaxial illumination. You can see the two light bulbs there, two reflections on the cornea. The stereo coaxial illumination is less bright as compared to the diffuse, so patients get usually some time to get adapted to the bright light. Then this is the position number 2, which is combination of stereo coaxial illumination and the diffuse illumination. So you can see the three bulbs. The third bulb is for the diffuse illumination. And now this is the position 3, where you can see only diffuse illumination and there is no red reflex because of there is no stereo coaxial illumination. And there is position 4, which is light shield for the retina, where you want to do extraocular procedures and you don't want retina to be exposed to the bright light. So these are the 4 positions. We mainly use position 1 and position 2. So this is the position 2 with diffuse plus stereo coaxial, and this is position 1 with only stereo coaxial. Now I use another position in the Lumira Eye. I call it position 1.5, where I stop the knob in between position 1 and 2, where I get stereo coaxial illumination plus half of the diffuse illumination, and I feel it is the most optimum illumination because despite having diffuse illumination, I am getting good red reflex. In this position, I can do good capsulorhexis without using any dye. I can do the hydro procedures. So overall, this position is really useful in most of the cataracts of different grades and different densities. Now here I am going to position 2. Now the position 2 is useful in denser cataracts or white cataracts, where I want more of diffuse illumination. But as you can see here, in some cases like this, despite having good diffuse illumination, I am not able to get the right depth. I cannot see the red reflex that well. So in such cases, what I do is that I shift to again position 1, where I want to get more red reflex like here. And then in such cases of cataracts, I can judge the depth and also the change in the red reflex much better, and I can judge the depth of the trench in much better way. So even during the procedure, you can shift from position 2 to position 1, sometimes from position 1 to position 2, to get the proper visualization. This position 1 is also useful for last piece emulsification, because you can watch the posterior capsule much more clearly and see the fluctuations, which is not possible with diffuse or even with combination of diffuse and retroillumination. This position 1 is useful for even polishing the posterior capsule, also for removal of the viscoelastic, because you can see those waves of the remnant viscoelastic very clearly with the stereo coaxial illumination. Lumira Eye is an excellent microscope with good stereo coaxial illumination with diffuse illumination, and you can use the combination of two in different ways, like I told you here, to get the maximum benefit of the microscope's illumination system. For more such videos, do subscribe to my YouTube channel and do submit your videos to our website phacotraining.org.in. You can also contact me for Phaco and SICS training. Thank you.